In this video, I will show you how to create chatgpt account. So open any browser and search here openai.com. Now here click on sign up. Now you can sign up with your Gmail, Microsoft or Apple account. Type your first and last name. Type your first name, last name and date of birth. Then click on continue. Add your phone number. Then click on send code via SMS. Now here click on continue. Now here you can select ChatGPT, DALL.E or API. So select here ChatGPT. So this way you can create your ChatGPT account. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.